Hi guys, it's Dylan here from Darts Cymru, and in this video I'm going to be doing a product review on a set of darts I was kindly sent by the guys at the darts supply shop in Manchester. The dart in question in this video are the 25 gram Welsh Dragon dart, and I think you'd agree that they're a great looking set of darts. You know, really strong Welsh branding on the barrels with the red, white and green of Wales and the Welsh Dragon logos engraved on the top of the barrel. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's have a closer look at the dart. Hi guys, so let's take a closer look at this dart, and it just sort of screams Wales out at you, doesn't it? You know, the red, the white, the green, and then the Welsh Dragon logo engraved on each of the barrels. But to be completely honest, it wasn't the actual Welsh branding that jumped out at me when I opened up the box. It was the actual variations of grip on the barrel. You know, I don't think I've ever come across a barrel where there are 3 different ring variations on one. So if we work our way down from the top, so the rear grippers amongst you, you know, the most mainstream or common ring grip out there, I'd say, is the Red Dragon Razor Edge. Very similar sort of profile there at the rear. And if we work our way down, you come to the middle grip. And that is a slightly wider sort of ring section with deeper grooves. And you know, this I'd say is more of a common grip that we see in many sort of darts. And then if we come to the front section, so those of you who are front grippers, you know, we're looking at a very fine grip section. So you know, there's something there for everybody really. You know, if you're a rear gripper, you're looking at this sort of razor edge grip. Middle gripper, you know, a bit of a slightly wider ring section, and then the front, you've got that very fine ring grip. You know, if we look at the front then, so we have a sort of a smooth tapered nose, and then the points, if I just show you the points, the point is just a standard sort of black point. They're 2.5mm points. So 90% tungsten. If we look at dimensions, so the widest point of the barrel is 6.7mm, and then from the nose to the top there is 52mm, and these are the 25 gram version of the Shanghai Welsh Dragon dart. You know, I'd be interested to know what you guys think of it. You know, your first impressions, your first look. You know, let me know what you think of the darts and put it in the comment section below. But you know, if you're a Welsh darting fan, or maybe a collector of darts, you know, there's something that these really stand out with the colours and the engraving. You know, I explained these in 3 different sections. If, like me, you know, you're a three finger gripper, you know, my index and my thumb would usually sit on the rear grip. Then my middle finger would be on this middle section of the grip, and then my ring finger would just sort of sit on this final fine grip. So, you know, as I said, there's something there for everybody. It depends on how you grip, obviously, but for me as a 3 finger gripper, this is an ideal barrel. So in the next part of the video, I'm just going to show you some setups, you know, with my sort of setup then. So I usually use an intermediate pro grip target stem, and then to keep with the brand, I'm using a Quantum Darts Welsh Dragon standard flight. So let's take a look at those images for you to see what it looks like with a setup. Hiya guys, so just to summarise, this has been a product review about the 25 gram Shanghai Welsh Dragon darts. As I said, these are the 25 gram, they're also available in 23 gram. If we discuss the price, so the price is £27.95, and if you're interested in buying a set, head over to the dart supply shop. If you follow the guys on social media, send them a DM. They'll be more than happy to help out. Or if you'd rather email them, you can drop them an email by following the address at the bottom of the screen. Just want to finish really by thanking the guys at the dart supply shop for sending me the set in the first place. Really enjoyed doing the review. They're a great looking set of darts, and as I said, the uniqueness of the way they look in terms of the branding, but also the variation on the grip makes the dart really stand out. So if you're a Welsh darting fan or a collector, these are a great little set to add to your collection. So thanks to the guys at the dart supply shop. Hopefully you've really enjoyed the video. This is the first darts review I've done. I've really enjoyed it and looking forward to doing more in the future. If you've liked the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and then press the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos from Darts Cymru in the future. Just want to finish, Darts Cymru is more than just YouTube. We're across Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So for all your Welsh darts news, results, head over to Darts Cymru at all those platforms and you won't miss out on a thing. But thanks a lot for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, cheers.